Hello, we are using the designs here. Keep on making the shapes. Still, we take different structure. So there we will pick up the gradient to fill there. I will have a design. There is the different one we can pick up. So we can use the shapes. Still, we will take it